This is the kind of fun you have when you're by yourself. Looks like they're coming back. Come on, I made some coffee. Have some oatmeal. Come hang out. I don't trust the brown one. I didn't even make a fire, and I didn't put anything in the fire pit. Get on in there. Let's see what happens when I start going back. I just want to touch your ear. I just want to read your tag number. They decided to come this way, I'm in trouble. What's up? You guys are so silly. Alright, so I've been driving for like 2 hours. And we are at an impasse. So, I guess I'm gonna turn around, try to find another way. Let me grab my bear spray before I start doing anything. I keep jumping out of the truck without that, and that's probably not a good idea out here. This is a different place where I've seen a lot more bear activity than other places. So anyway, start down Forest Service Road, try to make it to the stream. The creek should be over there in between these two valleys here. I'm not sure how far away I am from it. I just noticed that there was a spot here to camp and a little creek feeding into it. So I figured if nothing else, this has to go that way. So it looked like there was a little bit of a trail over there. So I'm just gonna start hiking. Just trying to make my way down and see if I can get close. You never know when you get here, come up to a cliff or something, you can't make it, but at least with the stream, I at least think I can get back to my truck. This is definitely not a designated hiking area, so it's kind of just gonna go off the grid, which is kind of what I came for. So kind of excited, kind of bummed that where I wanted to go was blocked off, but we will make the best of it. So doors are locked. I'm actually gonna take this trail first and just see where that goes before I start bushwhacking through the trees. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Got the rod, got the reel, got the water, bear spray, the net. I guess I'm usually holding a rod. Alright, that looks a little promising. Can't imagine the stream's too much further than that, and I just need to cross over some of that deadfall. So we're gonna take that route. I just hope it's not straight down when I go here. I can hear the water. That'd be a bummer. That would be a bummer. I think that's that creek. Hey, they're not going that way. They're not going under either. I guess we're going over the creek. I came in over there, hiked up to here so I could see. The main stream's right there, so. Right there. All right. Hike down here and check it out. Looks like a spot right there to get in. Good flow. You can do that. Good looking water. Go over there and rig up my 3-weight. It's nice and cold. We're high up, so. All right, yeah. Let's put that 3-weight together. All right, I got 24%, no, 32%. Yeah. All right, time to go fish. Gonna go. Oh, I saw a brown rise right there. How awesome is that? Let's see if we can get him. That'd be crazy. I gotta make a cast over here in the middle of nowhere though to not ruin it. That's awesome. Oh man, that's so cool. Check out how pretty this fish is. Pretty fish. There you go, buddy. God. Oh shit. Jeez. How works for you, buddy? Yeah, what a gorgeous fish. Oh, where were you? That's awesome. That's a sexy looking line. I don't want to go chasing again, so hopefully I might have to bring my 7 or 8.5 foot 4-weight tomorrow. Do a little muscly fish a bit more. That looks like a long way. Stay up here, buddy. Stay up here. Nope, 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 nope. Got all the 308's got. Pretty browns. Now you probably won't go over here, huh? Yeah. Well. You ready? Alright, let me put you over here. There you go. There's brown right there. See him right there? Chomp. I think he broke me off. Trip coming up and hoping some deadfall. Man, it's already swelled up like a grapefruit. That hurts. I'll probably put some ice and put on that. My finger. And it crossed through there. My back foot got caught up and I went down and basically like shin planted on top of that like that. Man. Oh, dude. Whew. That's definitely a mark. It's glad I didn't break anything. Like a branch coming right in my forehead. I was like ducked it and it like took out half of my hat. It's like, I'll show you guys later, but it just missed and fell on my forehead and broke part of my camera mount. So hopefully that keeps working. Jeez. I gotta find a better way. That way is not the way. We're not doing that again. Whew. See a stick the size of baseball bat cut in my face. Just glad I didn't break my rod. All right. Started clouding up. I was gonna walk back and put my rain tarp up. And I didn't walk very far to get started. I mean, it took me like 20 minutes to get back to where I started. And that's amazing fishery. I can't wait to do this again tomorrow. All right, so here's the hat I usually wear. And it's just well, I say it's just an action hat mount. But it's supposed to have two sides that look like this. But today, I lost the other side and cracked the middle of it. Like, just glad I didn't go in my face. So, yeah, hanging out here. It is a little thunder. I don't see any lightning or anything. But shin is, yeah, there you go. Not terrible. Gonna be fun hiking around tomorrow though. There's a giant mark right in the middle of my camera where that, I guess that stick hit like dead center of my camera. That thing's like right here on my head. Like, I'm so lucky that camera took the brunt of it. Whew. Wow. All right. Yeah, an awesome campground. I think if nothing else, man, how cool is it to be here? Got a little creek coming in right there. Showed you guys that earlier. Just hanging out. Nobody around. No other roads in. So I don't think I'm not seeing anybody else unless they come down from there and see me. But we're full, no vacancy. All right. Saw a black bear coming down right there. Hey, bear. I think he freaked out when he saw me. I was standing over there. He's a big old bear. He's gone now. They are fast, dude. It's like right where that tree goes up. He's coming right down. Almost making his way to his trail right here. Kind of a black, kind of amberish looking. Actually a really pretty bear.